The NextGen Academy is how Rocket Software is looking to recruit and develop the next generation of our technical talent.
NextGen Academy is not just a training program. It's actually a long-term talent strategy. We're not just filling the roles, we're actually creating future leaders of tech here.
As we think about Rocket's future, it's really critically important that we have the people to fuel the talent behind the tech. And that's what the NextGen is all about.
One of the secret ingredients to the success in NextGen Academy are the mentors and senior engineers.
They're here together, they can grow together. They're not only learning from their mentors, but they're learning from each other as well.
With fresh new talent comes new ideas.
New perspectives, new energy, new thinking.
Blending the skills we've got from our experts that have been in the field for decades with the new ideas and the new vision in terms of what's going on in the marketplace.
The NextGen Academy boosted the energy and the pride of the whole organization, whether that's the mentors or the boosters who now have got an opportunity to actually give back and share the knowledge and creating that collaboration between academia and industry itself, which makes a huge difference.
Booster role was like a good challenge for me.
When you're in the intern's place, everything's fresh, everything's new, everything's confusing. Being a booster, you feel needed, you feel valued.
I actually came in and joined through an academy myself, that when I got the opportunity to help out and bring on the next generation, I sort of jumped at it, and so I'm really excited to keep this going.
It's not all about the tech skills if you can't learn how to network, how to work well in a team. Every day, people are asking themselves, have I led with my core values?
Empathy, humanity, trust, and love. It's how we work together.
Our customers are global. Everything is interconnected. We need to scale at that level.
Rocket is a global company. When we have these programs and we bring those in, it's going to help us grow our Rocketeers around the world.
It's heartening to see a company that's not only consciously and intentionally focusing on those entry-level engineers, but giving them the tools to not only succeed, but thrive.
The people that join the academy and the people that work in Rocket Software makes this academy unique.
During these months, I gain a lot of experience, I gain a lot of connections, and I think it will help me fuel my career and what I want to do in my life.
Everybody's smiling. That's the biggest part, and everyone wants to be here.
It's always good to step out of your comfort zone, learn new things, and taking part in this academy is a great way to do that.
Yeah, go for it. Just straightforward, go for it.